Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. I am Hassan and today's video I will discuss about how we can track Elementor pricing table. Tracking a Elementor pricing table could be difficult for you because all of the structure of each table is same. This is a simple pricing table. I have taken it for demonstration purpose. And if you look here, there is a plan name, basic, advanced, as well as agency plus, and it also contains the price. And if you like to track the select package, that means when someone click this button, you like to track a package, select package, as well as you need the basic. That means the basic, advanced, or agency, the title of the plan and price. Due to that, you may thinking about you can easily track the plan by button click, but real problem is that each of the table contain the same information, same class. This button as well as this button and this button, all three button contain same structure. So it is quite difficult to distinguish which button has been clicked. Let me show. I have already connected Google Tag Assistant with this website and I am here. You see that I am in this page, and if I click any of the button, for example, if I click this button, you see that the link click event has fired. And if I come here and check the class, GTM element class, this is the class. And if I click another button, for example this one, and come back to Google Tag Assistant, you see that both of the button contain same class. So it is not possible to track by which button has been clicking here. To solve the issue, recently I have written some code, and you can use that code to properly tracking Elementor pricing tables select event. So this is the code. In the video description I will share all of the code. From this code you will find some little description how you should use the code. But in this video I am step by step showing how we can use this code. From this repository you need to go to the pricing table.js file. You need to click on the file, then you can easily copy the code of the file by clicking copy raw file button. Click here, then again you need to go back to the Google Tag Manager. This is the Google Tag Assistant. I am just closing this for now, and I am going back to Google Tag Manager. From the Google Tag Manager I am going to tags. From the tags we need to create a tag. We can write, we can give a name, pricing table GTM or data layer. And the tag configuration, you need to take custom HTML, and from this field you need to put the code what we have copied. Before paste the code, we need to write the script tag here because it is a JavaScript code. Inside those tag we can easily paste the code. And finally we need to add a trigger. For that you can use all page view trigger. Just I am taking all pages, and then finally save. And now if I go to the preview mode and see what happened after putting the code. Now my site is connected. If I go to the package page again and come back here, I am here in this page, and now I am clicking this package, just clicking on it, and you see that select package event has fired with the information package, advanced package, the price of the package, as well as if I click any other package, for example this one. Of course there is no link for now because it is a demo site, main site, there will be a real link here. Just you can escape for now. Just I am clicking the last one. Look here, the package name is agency and the price is $65. Just I am clicking on it, and you see there is a package. Select event has fired, and then select package name agency, and the price is $65. And now if we like to send this information to our Google Analytics account, we need to create another tag. Just again, I am closing the Google Tag Assistant, stop debugging, and then going back to Tag Manager again. From the Tag Manager, we need to create another tag. Before creating the tag, we need to create few variable. Just I am going to the variable section. Actually, we need two variables. The variable name should be exactly matched with, again I'm going to Google Tag Assistant for showing that. Just click on here and come back. You see the package select. Actually, we need to create a two separate variable for the package as well as price. So I am going to the Google Tag Assistant. From the variable, I am going here, and you see that from the variable section I am going back the new variable, and we can give the name of the variable the package, and from here we should select the data layer variable. From the data layer variable section, we need to create as select package. Actually, it is name should be exactly matched with this name, package. Data layer variable name should be the package name. This is the package name. And finally, we need to create another variable, price. We can give this name as package price, package price. And then finally we can go to again the data layer variable. From the data layer variable, we can put the name of price, and then finally save it. So we have created the two variable. One is package and another one is package price. So finally we need to create main tag here. From the text, I am clicking the new. From the new, we can give any of the name for this tag. Maybe select package, or you can give any of the name which is meaningful for you. And then from the tag configuration, we need to go to the Google Analytics. From the Analytics, of course, it should be Google Analytics GA4 event. From the event, we need to select the measurement ID. I have already created a constant for that variable. I am taking this, and then finally event name is totally up to you how you like to get the event name. Just I am giving the same name, select package, and the event parameter, we need to put those two parameter, package, package. This is the package, and finally we need to put the price, package price. And then we of course we also need to create a trigger for that. So I'm going here, and we need to create a new trigger name. I'm giving the same name, select package, custom event, select package. From here I'm choosing the custom event, and you need to put the event name. Our data layer event name was the select package. I'm copying this and paste it here and save it again. And then finally we can save the tag. I am saving the tag, and then again we can go to the preview mode. It is connected, and now I am here. I'm just going to the package page again. From the package page, I'm choosing the first plan, basic plan. I am click, and you see this is package selected and the tag fare. In the tag, you see that the select package has been fired. And if I come here, you see that everything is sending the select package, even is sent to Google Analytics. And again, if I come here and choose another package like this information also going to select package. This one, you see that this case is also select package has fire with the package name and all other information. This one actually, if we come here and see, this is the thing, data layer variable and everything is perfectly fine. Okay, thank you everybody. In this way you can easily track Elementor pricing table. If you have any question, of course you can write comment below the video, and if you have any recommendation or anything, of course you can write there, and you can subscribe my channel for getting new video from my channel quickly. Thank you everyone.